So I decided to share the results I got so far on a Facebook group, and somebody got back to me with his results. And this is what you're looking at right now. And as you can see, he's made, in the course of a week, he's made $141.28 out of a $1,000 investment in 1 week. I think we all agree this is incredible, absolutely mind-blowing. And this is what he said to me about his results. I love this too. This is my profit for 1 week on a 1K account. It feels like cheating. Hopefully we'll start seeing the compound effect soon. And I couldn't agree with him more. It does feel like cheating. This is absolutely mind-blowing. And I had to get this message out there as soon as possible, because the creators of this system, they have extended their offer to join this up until around Christmas time. I don't know the exact date, but I think it is the actual Christmas time. So I've taken advantage of it, and I think this person who shared his results also has, and so did quite a few people. And they are absolutely loving this, because you don't have to have any experience on forex trading, and you don't have to watch the markets. You don't have to do anything except for setting this up the once and leaving it. You completely forget about it, set and forget, let it do its thing, and just watch the results. So yes, I'm one of these people. I have zero understanding of forex trading, and that's what I did. I've invested, set this up, forgot about it, and I'm just following the progress I'm making, which is also incredible. So if you're interested and you're not watching this past Christmas Day, then do make sure to check the link in the description, and you see the offer that they're making, and also results from other people from early this year. And yes, do make sure, if you want to join, make sure to join before the 25th, while the offer is still available. Okay, and also make sure to follow the videos that I will be releasing in the next few days and weeks. I'm so excited. I want to share my journey with this, and yes, I do hope that people will discover these videos, because they are mind-blowing. These are not, too good to be true, get rich quick sort of situations. This is definitely not get rich quick. By the way, you do have to be patient. You have to put the money in there and just leave it and forget about it completely. So yes, but it's still 100% incredible, because you're not doing anything to make that money. You're letting money work for you, which is the dream. That's how I see it. So yes, stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.